Still reviewing for the Unit 2 test. You will see some of these word problem types of things on there, so I wanted to go over a couple for you. The first problem says Lewis has 2 dogs. His small dog weighs 6 pounds. His large dog weighs 7 times the weight of his small dog. How much does his large dog weigh? So we know using our cube strategy, we have 2 dogs. One of them weighs 6 pounds, the other one weighs 7 times the weight of his small dog. How much does his large dog weigh? So we're looking at his large dog. Okay, so he has 2 dogs. Let's see, dog 1, dog 2. The first dog, we know the small one, he weighs 6 pounds, right? The large dog weighs 7 times that weight. I'm going to put this in a box, and we know this one is 7 times that weight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we know his large dog is 7 times the weight of the small dog. Oops, that's a 6. Okay, so now all we have to figure out, we know that this is the small one. How much does the large dog weigh? Well, we have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. 42 pounds. Or you could have said 6 times 7 if it wants a multiplication equation equals 42 pounds. Pounds is LBS, or you could spell out the word pounds. I don't know why it's LBS, but it is. All right, let's look at the next one. Jocelyn purchased 4 books from the school book fair. Sydney purchased 2 more books than Jocelyn. How many books did Sydney purchase? Well, we know Jocelyn got 4 books. Sydney purchased 2 more than Jocelyn did. 2 more than Jocelyn. How many books did Sydney purchase? Well, I'm thinking on this one, it just said she purchased 2 more books than Jocelyn. If Jocelyn had 4 and Sydney purchased, it doesn't say 2 times more, it just said 2 more, that would be 4 plus 2 equals 6. So Sydney purchased 6 books. All right, next part. While at the carnival, Japhet notices that some of the rides require different amounts of tickets. His brother's favorite ride requires 2 tickets. Japhet's favorite ride requires 3 times as many tickets as his brother's favorite. How many tickets will Japhet need to ride his favorite ride? Okay, so this up here is just fluffy stuff. Okay, his brother's favorite ride requires 2 tickets. Okay, so we know his brother, we're going to write brother, requires 2 tickets, right? Japhet's ride requires 3 times as many tickets as his brother's. So we know this is 2 tickets, but Japhet's requires 3 times as many. So we have 2 tickets for his brother's, but this is 3 times, and so we know that Japhet's takes 6 tickets. All right, last one. 2 cousins have money saved from completing chores. Melanie has $24. This is 3 times the amount of money that Yesenia has. How much money does Yesenia have saved? Well, first of all, you have to think about who has more. So we have Melanie, and then we have Yesenia. We know that Melanie has $24, right? And we know that this, the $24, because it says this, that means it's talking about the $24. This is 3 times the amount of money that Yesenia has. So that means Yesenia has less because this is. So that means 24, remember how we talked about the word is, means equals. 24 equals 3 times something, right? So now we just have to solve this multiplication equation. We can do that by doing the inverse operation by dividing. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So that means Yesenia has $8.